Hey guys, we're here again with another review, and this time we're going to go over what Audacity Capital has to offer. They're a well-established proprietary trading firm that was founded in 2012, while the official incorporation took place in January of 2014. There are many prop firms in the industry that are offering large amounts of capital to traders, and Audacity is no exception. They offer worldwide funding to traders and give their clients a chance to work with up to $480,000 in capital. They offer traders two different funding programs: an assessment phase where an individual is required to go through an interview to see if they are eligible to become funded. In addition, they also have added an industry average two-step evaluation challenge recently for other traders that lack the experience to join their previous funding program. Now, they do award their traders with 50% all the way up to 75% profit splits depending on the challenge that you opt for. They are partnered with an institutional liquidity provider that allows them to benefit from deep liquidity in the market with no commissions or swaps on trades and tight spreads. All right, well, that's a really quick overview of Audacity Capital, but let's take a deeper look at what they're actually offering. Be sure to stick with us right until the end. We've got a discount code prepared for you as always. But without further ado, let's dive in. All right, so we're over here on the Audacity Capital website, and I must say before diving into the different funding program options that I really like the website, very professional, so well done Audacity Capital. So as I did briefly mention in terms of funding program options, they do offer traders two different funding programs. They've got the assessment phase and then the industry average two-step evaluation challenge. As I did briefly mention, they award their traders with 50% up to 75% profit splits depending on the challenge that you opt for. So Audacity Capital's evaluation of traders is quite unique to the prop firm industry. So the assessment phase is structured out of 3 steps. So step 1 requires traders to apply for their funded trader program by filling out their form. You'll get asked questions about your trading experience and your strategy. In step 2, you get invited for a face-to-face interview on their trading floor if you are based in London, or a phone interview if you're not, so they can get a bit more information about your trading experience. And step 3 is then confirmation, where you will receive your results within 24 hours if you're approved or not. Now, they will send you the contract to sort out the paperwork and account details, and then obviously get your credit card account so that you'll be ready to start trading. After getting approved and funded, you are required to pay a one-time fee of £199, as well as a monthly platform fee of £99. You receive $15,000 of the company's capital to start trading. You're then eligible for profit splits of 50% and have a chance to participate in their scaling plan. Now, you can request a scale up of your account capital every time you reach a gain of 10%, and your account balance will be doubled up to a maximum of $500,000 in capital. So that is how to get started. Another option though for Audacity Capital that they offer is to get funded is their ability challenge, which consists of 2 evaluation stages before you get a live funded account. So you'll be able to choose from the following ability challenge account sizes: the $15,000 account for a one-time fee of £149, $30,000 account for a one-time fee of £269, $60,000 account for a one-time fee of £369, and the $120,000 account for a one-time fee of £629. Now, your main rule that you can't surpass is their fixed maximum drawdown of 10%. Now, you really should consider that you can trade overnight from Monday to Friday as well, while weekend holding and news tradings are not allowed. Another thing that they allow is the use of EAs. You are allowed to trade Forex majors and minors. You're not allowed to trade commodities and indices at the early stages of your funded journey. And the last rule is the maximum lot size rule. So you are allowed to open maximum combined positions of 0.5 lots on the $15,000 account. While scaling your account up though, you also scale your maximum lot size rule. So for example, a $30,000 account equals a maximum combined positions of 1 lot size. So having a look at the different phases, phase 1 is the ability challenge, and the parameters for that is a profit target of 10%, maximum daily drawdown of 7.5%, maximum absolute drawdown of 15%, minimum trading days of 7 calendar days, maximum trading period of 30 calendar days, and a leverage of 1 to 100. Phase 2 ability challenge parameters, profit target, again 10%, maximum daily drawdown 5%, maximum absolute drawdown 10%, minimum trading days 7 calendar days as well, maximum trading period of 60 calendar days, and the leverage is 1 to 100. And then the live account ability challenge parameters, you have a profit target, no limit, maximum daily drawdown of 5%, maximum absolute drawdown of 10%, Minimum trading days, no limit. Maximum trading days, no limit. Leverage 1 to 100. Profit split 75%. And those payments are monthly. Audacity Capital Ability Challenge has really relaxed rules and allows basically all trading strategies. You'll be able to use EAs, trade during news, hold trades overnight and during the weekends. You'll be able to trade Forex pairs, commodities and indices with almost no restrictions. So really suited for such a vast array of traders. You will be able to process payment for your account with one of the following payment methods: credit or debit card, PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, and Skrill. Just note though that their Audacity Capital funding program, their assessment funding program, and ability challenge each have their own website. Just worth keeping in mind, as you can see up here. So what makes Audacity Capital different from any other prop firm out there? Well, they differ from most industry-leading prop firms due to having that unique 3-step verification, or in other words, an assessment phase, while also offering an industry average 2-step evaluation challenge. Audacity Capital offers 5-to-1 leverage on a $15,000 account that you can acquire through the 3-step verification. Now, compared to other prop firms, this is a significant difference. Step 1 requires filling out the form with questions about your trading experience and your strategy. Step 2, you're invited for that face-to-face or phone interview, obviously so they can find out more about your trading experience. And then step 3 is the verification, where you'll get notified within that 24-hour period if you're approved or not. Very unique. You certainly won't find that very often in the prop firm industry. Another option to get funded with is their ability challenge that we went over, which is the 2-step challenge that allows you to trade with 1 to 100 leverage. Just to go over those details again, you are required to hit a profit target of 10% in stage 1 without surpassing the 7.5% maximum daily or 15% maximum absolute drawdown limit. You'll be required to trade a minimum of 7 days in stage 1, maximum trading period of 30 days. For stage 2, you're required to hit that profit target of 10% without surpassing the 5% maximum daily or 10% maximum absolute drawdown limit. You will be required to trade a minimum of 7 days in a maximum trading period of 60 days. And then once you become funded, you'll only have to respect the 5% maximum daily and 10% maximum absolute drawdown limit. And then you'll also be paid a generous profit split of 75% on a monthly basis on all profit that you make. So yes, Audacity Capital's funding is quite different from other prop firms, but an excellent option for any trader with a positive, consistent track record of their trading. But is getting Audacity Capital funds realistic? As always mention, it's really essential to see how realistic the trading requirements are when looking at prop firms that best suit your Forex trading style. The example I use is a company offering a high percent profit split on a highly funded account always sounds amazing, but if they expect high percent gains per month with low percent maximum drawdowns, then you're really limiting your chances of success. After considering that though, we really feel that Audacity Capital's assessment phase is an excellent choice to get funded with, since you can ignore all the parameters mentioned above. The only thing that matters is your track record to become eligible for their live trading funded account. You should also keep in mind that you are allowed to hold trades overnight and that the use of EAs is also allowed, while weekend holding and news trading are prohibited. Another important thing is their maximum lot size rule, which must be respected at all times, but can be beneficial since it will improve your risk management. However, if you opt for the ability challenge, you'll have to complete that 2-step evaluation challenge before you come funded. And the challenge is very realistic since it has those parameters we went over earlier in the 3-phase part. But go back and check those out if you need to. They're really important factors, but Audacity Capital really does provide something for all types of traders. All right, so just to touch on some other key components when looking at prop firms, in terms of payment proof, Audacity Capital obviously founded way back in 2012 and incorporated in January 2014, so they've got a long history, and you can see payment proof mostly on their YouTube channel where they do interview profitable traders. In terms of broker for Audacity Capital, they don't trade with a common broker brands. They're partnered with an institutional liquidity provider that allows them to benefit from deep liquidity in the market with no commissions or swaps on trades and tight spreads. In terms of trading platforms, you are allowed to trade on MetaTrader 4. Trading instruments, Audacity Capital allows its traders to trade Forex majors and minors. Commodities and indices are not allowed until you prove yourself and get approved by their team. And in terms of education and support for traders, they have a trading guide section on their website, which you can reach by clicking here. You can learn about trading strategies, currency pairs, and Forex tools there, which will give you general knowledge and help you in your trading career as well. While they don't have their own thread on Forex Factory, you can find information on another thread named Prop Firm Hub, made by Mastermind. Mentioned that a few times before, where Audacity Capital also gets mentioned numerous times. It's always valuable to take a look at other traders, customers and clients' comments about the respective firm that we're looking at. So heading over to Trustpilot here to take a look at Audacity Capital's reviews, and they do have excellent feedback from their reviews. On Trustpilot, they've got a large variety of their community commenting, giving lots of positive feedback. At the time of recording, they've got an excellent score of 4.8 out of 5 out of 658 reviews. Some common things I noticed, they've got a fast and reliable support team that provides you with all the necessary information you require, or if you're unsure of anything. A lot of their community praised their customer service for being extremely fast and helpful, and that all the necessary support is given to them to ensure the best possible conditions to succeed, which is great to know. Another comment I saw stated that they offer excellent trading conditions with low spreads, an attractive scaling plan up to $500,000, and rules to follow that will help you manage risk appropriately. Please do your own due diligence though and have a look through yourself. It's always valuable to take a look. And then just to come back to the website here and wrap everything up for this one. So Audacity Capital, they're a legitimate prop trading firm offering live funding to traders after checking their past track record performances. After getting approved and funded, you are required to pay that one-time fee and a monthly platform fee to work with $15,000 capital. They also offer a really attractive scaling plan that allows you to double and withdraw your capital every time you reach that profit target of 10%. You can manage a maximum allocation capital of $480,000. And then the main rules you're required to follow while working with Audacity Capital are the fixed absolute drawdown of 10% and the maximum allowance of lot sizes. Again, you're also not allowed to trade news or hold positions over the weekend. Another option to get funded with is their ability challenge, which is that two-step challenge that allows you to trade with 1-to-100 leverage. We went over all the parameters, so make sure you go back and take a look at those, but then you can work up to being paid a very generous profit split of 75% on a monthly basis on all the profit that you make. So look, I would definitely recommend Audacity Capital, particularly to anyone who's been reaching consistent results for a more extended period. They were incorporated way back in January 2014, so they're very established, and you can find lots of reviews and comments about their positive features, especially compared to some other newer prop firms, which is a real positive as well. And that's what I've got for you today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it and found it informative. If you are enjoying the videos, we really appreciate a thumbs up, and please subscribe to watch more. As promised, like always, you can find the discount code below. We provide them for all the firms that we review, and you can also find the link in the description. So please utilize that if you feel that Audacity Capital is a good fit for you. Thanks again for being here. See you on the next one.